Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to talk about some exciting news in the field of Alzheimer's disease detection. Researchers at Drexel University have discovered that the GPT-3 chatbot by OpenAI can accurately detect Alzheimer's disease from human speech with an accuracy rate of up to 80%. This is a significant discovery, as early detection of Alzheimer's can give patients more options for therapy and slow the progression of the disease. The GPT-3 chatbot was trained on data from voice recordings of both Alzheimer's patients and healthy individuals. The algorithm was able to identify differences in the speech patterns of those with Alzheimer's symptoms. By conducting a natural dialogue with the patient, the GPT-3 language model was able to notice speech disorders and assess the development of neurodegenerative processes with high accuracy. The researchers at Drexel University plan to develop a web-based application that can be used as a pre-screening tool to assess the need for a full examination, either at home or in a doctor's office. This tool could potentially be used as a supplement to the standard process for diagnosing Alzheimer's disease. Diagnosing usually involves a review of the patient's medical history and a series of physical and neurological examinations and tests. Overall, this is a promising development in the field of Alzheimer's disease detection, and the potential for an AI-based tool to assist in early diagnosis and treatment is significant. However, further research and development is still needed. Thank you for watching.